Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, if you're new here today, I would like to ask you to consider subscribing. And I would like to have you part of my YouTube family. And if you are my returning subscriber friends, I just want to say a special hello to you and thank you for checking out today's video. Today I have another special for you guys and it's from Prime Prometics. This is Beauty is Ageless. This is a beauty company, beauty products for mature skin. But I'm telling you, they make it so good anybody could use it. Now, Hannah has sent me more product, and I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about the product and about Prime Prometics. If you are a mature woman over 50, these are products that you could definitely be into. They are very, very good. I am wearing some of them now, and I will tell you more about that in just a minute. First, we're going to be looking at the Prime Skin Beauty Water. Now, Prime Skin is specially developed through Prime Prometics. And this is where we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty because our skin changes so much as we age, and I am over 60. I'm actually 63 and I don't mind telling you that, but I just want to let you know that this is geared for our mature skin. Now, Prime Skin Beauty Water is a deeply hydrating makeup remover. One of their customers have said, I've been searching for a safe makeup remover that could get the job done without leaving my eyes sore from tugging and pulling. This is it. One swipe and my eye makeup's gone. Love the hydration it leaves behind. And that is what's in this box right here. It says mature skin needs all the help it can get. Prime Skin Beauty Water fiercely protects your sensitive skin's moisture barrier while doing a gentle yet firm job of removing makeup, grime, sweat, and tiredness. Glycolic acid melts away stubborn, heavy-duty cosmetics without rubbing. Never resort to baby oil again. Hyaluronic acid blesses you with lasting nourishment and skin suppleness, and trichloroacidic acid erases pigmentation and unevenness. Bioactive nutrients from clary sage, pomegranate, lavender, heal aging and sun damage. We tried 80 plus makeup removers. None of them treat mature skin right. They said 60% of those 80 removers can't get makeup, dirt, debris out of my fine lines and wrinkles. 98% said removers damage my skin cells with toxins and chemicals. 75% say removers strip away natural oils from mature skin without replenishing them. 82% says removers exaggerates the dryness of my skin texture and eczema. And this is why Prime Skin Beauty Water contains thoroughly researched and tested ingredients that come together to create a perfect pro-age makeup remover. And they do have a before and after picture. I may post that up there. You can see it. We've developed with 1,200 silver queens, all races and all ethnics. Clean in one swipe, it says. No rubbing, tugging, pulling. Blur out lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid fills the lines, grooves, and wrinkles. Skin stays hydrated, dewy, and non-greasy. Rebuild skin moisture barrier. Bioactive nutrients to the rescue. Extracts from 20 plus herbs coats balanced sebum production. Mild exfoliation. Trichloroacidic acid erases pigmentation and unevenness. It is also pH balanced, hyperallergenic, certified, organic, and vegan, cruelty-free. This product provides adequate moisturizing while being kind to mature skin. I love it, Cindy says. I tried a sample. Now I can't wait to try the bottle. I am 56 years young, layer my makeup, and I adore the hydrating effect of this remover. And that is Brenda says that. And then Tracy says, tough to find the right remover after 50 years. The ones with heavy oils do the job but leave my face greasy and dull. Prime Skin Beauty Water cleans in one swipe, yet it is light and refreshing. So the cleaning ingredients that is in this product that is ethically sourced and all natural is glycolic acid, hyaluronic acid, lactic acid, trichloroacidic acid, clary sage, pomegranate, and lavender. pH balanced, hypoallergenic, certified organic, vegan, and cruelty-free. 3 ways to add Prime Skin Beauty to your skincare routine. And of course, you can free up the dirt and debris. It's stretchy around around the eyes and mouth. You just dab PrimeSkin Beauty Water on the affected areas. Let your skin drink up the goodness of 20 essential oils and coax balanced sebum production. Going out not in a mood for a facial? Drench your skin in PrimeSkin Beauty Water, leave on for a few minutes, then hop into the shower. Trichloroacetic acid erases dullness. Hyaluronic acid perks your skin up. Look fabulous, pampered, and positively radiant. Your beauty is our duty, and this is one thing, they stand behind their products. If you're not satisfied, we'll refund you. You deserve to try PrimeSkin with no strings attached, and we have a full confidence in our technology we've used to create this formula. Prime Prometics puts you in the limelight. Our mission is to help you enhance your natural beauty at any age. And so if you're not satisfied with PrimeSkin, just let us know and we will refund your money, no questions asked. So one of the questions is PrimeSkin Beauty Water just a makeup remover? No. PrimeSkin Beauty Water is an excellent makeup remover, but it is crafted in 3-in-1 treatment for mature skin. So much more than makeup remover. PrimeSkin Beauty Water has glycolic acid. The tiny molecules of this mild, gentle acid penetrate layers of heavy-duty cosmetics and help wipe away the dirt, the dust, and the gunk in one light swipe. Forget rubbing your raw skin. Well, that's pretty good to know. It says, can I use PrimeSkin Beauty Water as a serum? And it says, absolutely. One of the actions of three-pronged approach is boosting, preserving, and rebuilding your hydration barrier of skin over 50. To achieve this, we've kept the pH of PrimeSkin Beauty Water at a solid 5, the pH of healthy skin. We have infused the formulation with hyaluronic acid beads, HA beads. These beads plump out your lines, wrinkles, and grooves, leaving your skin dewy but without residue. Will PrimeSkin Beauty Water leave my skin sticky? No. We understand that residue is a big complaint in women over 50. Our balanced pH of 5 ensures that the hydration barrier is intact and any dirt or makeup from your skin is melted away through the safe chemical reaction and not through the brute force of stickiness, as in the case with baby oils and Vaseline, and a far more elegant approach. The hyaluronic acid, HA, that it uses is extracted from limes, lemons, grapefruits, contains natural vitamin C. The beads plump out the lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin drenched and hydrated. The acetic acid extract from strawberries, intensified in this Prime Labs for deep, gentle exfoliation. Clary, sage, lavender, and pomegranate are a trio of bioactive nutrients to repair skin's damage. And the glycolic acid extract from sugarcane juice, the real power behind Formulation. This formulation melts makeup away gently but firmly. So that tells you a little bit more detail about what's in the product and how it works. And it's cosmetic with a cause, and that's what ProMedics Cosmetics is all about. Having cosmetics with a cause and how your purchase makes a difference. And they do give back. They use some of their funds in charities to fight cancer. They salute women on the front lines to support women on the medical front line. They stop misinformation, investing in bodies that print accurate information to educate mature women. And they have commissioned research, choosing the best talent in R&D to design cosmetics that use science to heal. Our products work better together. And I would have to say all of that is a true statement. This product is really good, and I know some of you have purchased it and you're probably trying it out now. And I do have a link, and it will be a link that'll take you right on over there, and you can now save 15% with Miss Jackie Russell. And I don't know if I remembered to say that early on in the conversation, but there is a link, and I'm going to open this up. I'm real anxious to find out how this works. It says meet the PrimeSkin Beauty Water 3-way action, and it says that right on here. Effectively removes makeup, kisses away dryness, frees dead cells to reveal flawless, smooth, supple skin. And then we have our 3-step application. First, we're going to soak a cotton pad for effortless makeup removal, pat under the eyes and around the mouth for a non-sticky hydration. So I guess I'm going to be doing both. I'm not sure. Apply before showering for mild, mature skin. Friendly exfoliation. Please stop use if you have allergic reactions or anything. which that's true with anything. And then it tells you your ingredients on this side. We've got prime, we've got expiration dates on here, we've got the batch number on there, and it expires 2026, so it's very nice to know that they give us an expiration date. We know how long we can use the product. Now let's see what the product looks like. I have not ever used this product, so this is new to me, and this is what it looks like. And it said to soak up a cotton ball, so I'm probably going to have to go get me some cotton balls because I want to go over this with you guys, and we're going to see how it works. How about that? Okay, now, in addition to that, I do want to let you know it says it works well with their products, and I want to tell you I have on their Prime Wand. This is in the peach color, and I have it on both sides. This has hyaluronic acid in it. Gives that dewy glow, and it's just very, very pretty and healthy. This can also be used on lips and your eyes, so you could use it all in one. It's like a 3-in-1 or 5-in-1 because you can even contour with this and highlight with it. So the Prime Wand, I've got a dedicated video and I'll have it plugged up there so you can go and check that out. Along with that, I have on their lipstick, and today I have on the Raspberries number 5. This is a very beautiful pink lipstick, and I really love this lipstick, and it stays within the lines like it says, and I do have lip lines, and that's one of the features of it. And along with that, I use their plumper, which is their Prime Lip Gloss, but I put it on top of my lipstick because I like to have a shiny, I like it to be nice and smooth, and I don't like dry lips at all. I like it to be moist all the time. And then I also have the Prime Skin Protect Hyaluronic Acid on top of my skin. Yeah, I put this on top. Now, you are probably supposed to put it on after your moisturizers, or that's what most companies tell you for SPF, but I like putting this on top because it has hyaluronic acid in it, and it just draws more moisture into my skin all day long. And the other product that I have on that I'll be removing off is the Prime Lash. And this here makes beautiful lashes, as you can tell, and I do have the brown on. Can you tell? Their brown is a real brown. But as I want to show you again, those are some brown eyelashes, and they even look brown. I normally have black on. But that's what I have on. And this Prime Skin Beauty Water is what we're going to use to take off my makeup. Now, I'll be right back. I've got to go get a cotton ball. Now, one thing I'm not clear on, and even in the instructions I'm not clear on, is that it says to soak a cotton pad for effortless makeup removal, pat under the eyes and around the mouth for non-sticky hydration. So this may be just makeup that you're going to remove on your lips and your eyes. So that's the way I'm understanding it. This is the bottle, and we got it popped open, and as you can see, it has like an applicator there where you can put your cotton ball on. So isn't that handy? And then you can just pump it to soak it up, and that's what I've done, and you can tell it's all wet. And now I'm just gonna pat it around my eyes, and we're gonna see how well it works. And I'm gonna put it around my lips on the other side here. And then we're gonna swipe. I'd say it's all off. Now I'm gonna pat this eye, and I'm gonna just go across. It says one swipe. I think I'm so used to rubbing, I was wanting to rub, but it says one swipe. So I may try that more on the other side. Of course, now I'm a mature woman that wears a lot of makeup, and they may not be thinking about me, but still, even with the few swipes that it did, it's wonderful. I'm gonna try it on this side. That was one swipe. It's not pulling or tugging. I'm not your typical 63-year-old. I wear a lot of makeup. This is just a dry cotton ball going over it. Yeah, I think it got it all off of there. That's pretty cool. Now, because I have makeup on here, I'm going to just swipe across here, see how it does on my face. It said you could clean your face with it. Y'all can see I use a lot of makeup. See, that's all coming off of there. Very good. It's just really nice. It's not drying. It's easy. I could see how this would be great to use every day. And I'm not even having to use water, which I'm used to having to do. I think it's taking it all off really good. It's not on my face anymore. It's on these cotton balls. Look at that. Oh, just swap it right off. I'm not having to rub hard or anything. This has been real easy, and I always have it on my neck too. So I'm going to give my neck a little drink of this water. But this is fabulous. And I love this little pump here. You can just grab you some more and put it on. And it's got all those nutrients in it, so it's going to moisturize my face as it cleans it. That is just excellent. What a product. I don't think I've ever had a product like this. This is really cool. Okay, this was PRIMESKIN water. It runs $27. And as you can see, it's got an applicator there to easily put your cotton ball on. And you can use it just to swap off your eye makeup and or your lipstick, and then use your regular cleanser for your all over face. But I wanted to see it clean all over. Now that I've done that, it's not tacky. You know how it asks the question, is it sticky? No. It's not sticky, which is very nice, and it's got all those agents in there. I'm kind of letting it dry a little bit real quick, and as it's drying, before it finishes, I'm going to go ahead and put my Prime Protect on. This is the SPF 40, and it is a gel. This is SPF with hyaluronic acid, and I'm going to put it on top here because now that I've got my makeup off, I'm not going to probably put makeup on the rest of the day. And I'm going to put this on and give myself some more hydration as well as SPF protection because I have my dogs. I still will go outside today. So this is excellent. And I love the SPF 40. And I do have a video explaining this product as well. And it's excellent. And I'll plug that up there for you to be able to see. But I am very impressed with Prime Prometics. I will tell you that. And if you didn't know that, well, you know now. And I love their products. They really are geared toward the mature skin. And look at that. I've got a healthy glow. It's not sticky. It's still drying a little bit, but it's not sticky. Feels really good. So I'm gonna have to say it's another win for ProMedics PRIMESKIN Beauty Water. That works. Wow. And you could tell I was just swapping. I wasn't having to rub. You see my initial first try, I was rubbing, because usually when you use a makeup remover, we've had to just kind of, scrub it off, so to speak. And as y'all could tell, it just swapped it off really nice and easy. And I love that. This is great. So don't forget, you can save 15% with MISSJACKIERUSSELL as your code. And I'll have that link down in my description. And I'm going to put me a little bit of lip gloss on since I'm kind of got a clean face for the day. Which is also has a plumper. It has like capsaicin. I don't know if that's a pepper or what, but it plumps your lips and moisturizes with hyaluronic acid, of course. And it's for mature skins because it's Prime Lip Gloss. And it's very moist and it plumps without stinging. So if you're looking for a plumper that doesn't sting, this would be your plumper. But guys, that is my beauty extravaganza today with Prime Prometics and their Prime Beauty Water. I am going to go ahead and just swap me on a little bit of color of the Prime wand and just have me a natural look today. And as you could tell, when I get ready to go to bed, that'll be an easy swap off. So it's not going to be any big deal, and it has the hyaluronic acid in it. It's going to help keep it just a little bit more moist. So I'm all set for an evening at home. I've got my makeup off basically and getting rid of them wrinkles, and if nothing else, slowing them down. And with all the makeup that I had on, I did have to use 3 cotton balls, but it was worth it, and it wasn't hard to do at all. So I would recommend this product. As for today, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for that link and the discount to save 15%. And as for today and PRIMESKIN Beauty Water, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.